Welcome to our Big 6 and Big 8 Bets Guide. This video is part of the Craps Academy series by pro craps player and author Bill Collins. When you look at the craps table, you'll notice a large area with an oversized 6 and 8 in boxes at both ends. These are the Big 6 and Big 8 bets, where you can place your chips to bet on either or both of these numbers. Unlike contract bets, you have total control over these bets, and you can remove, increase, or decrease the bet amounts at any time. Many players choose the Big 6 and Big 8 bets because they are conveniently located on the table and don't require going through the dealer to make their bets. But let's understand when these bets actually win or lose. The Big 6 and Big 8 bets function the same as betting on the 6 and or 8. Each Big 6 or Big 8 bet wins when the corresponding number rolls, and you lose both bets when a 7 is rolled. Both the Big 6 and Big 8 bets pay even money, meaning if you bet $5 on the Big 6 and roll a 6 before a 7, you'll win an additional $5, giving you a total of $10. Now, let's talk about the odds and house edge for these bets. There are 10 ways to win with the Big 6 and Big 8 bets compared to 6 ways to lose. Having more ways to win sounds great, but here is the catch. When you win, you only win a single bet, while when you lose both bets to the 7 rolling. Since the payout is just 1-to-1, the casino gains an extra advantage of 9.09% over the player making these bets. In comparison, if you give your chips to the dealer and place a bet on the 6 and or 8, the house advantage reduces to 1.57%. Considering these factors, it's worth exploring other options. Here are Bill's top recommendations. As a pro craps player, he suggests placing bets on 6 and or 8. If you bet $10 on Big 6 or Big 8, you could win $10 at even money. However, if you make a $10 bet on 6 or 8, you could win $12 at a 6-to-5 payout. This means you get a better house edge and more value for your bet. If you want to try both bets for free, you can test them out in our Craps game collection. In conclusion, the Big 6 and Big 8 bets may seem tempting, but they give the casino an unnecessary advantage over you. Betting on 6 and or 8 offers better payouts and a lower house edge. Additionally, placing your chips on these bets may interfere with good shooters' controlled toss dice. Keep in mind that experienced players often avoid placing bets that obstruct a shooter's landing zone. By making informed choices, you can maximize your chances of winning. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the Craps Big 6 and Big 8 bets. Remember to make informed decisions and consider better alternatives to optimize your craps experience. Good luck and happy rolling!